Meaning of elementary.
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 Elementary. The word elementary refers to something that is basic, fundamental, or essential. It can be used to describe a subject or activity that is taught at an introductory level, or a situation or problem that is easy to understand or solve. For example, elementary math covers the foundational principles of arithmetic and algebra, while an elementary task might involve completing a simple form. The term is often used in contrast to something more advanced or complex, and can also suggest a sense of simplicity or straightforwardness.